Hello everyone, my name is Jian and I will be presenting about the assignment presentation of the subject BEE32302 Engineering Society when we are from Group 10. Our group member consists of a group leader which is Nur Danish and our group member consists of Rinosh, Analaki Sargunan and Azim Haikal and me Jian and Previn Analaki Bala. Next one is a background interviewer. Our interviewer is Engineer Syahwan bin Nasri. He is a professional facility engineer with over 7 years of practical engineering, building, and maintenance experience. He studied his bachelor degree in electrical engineering from University Technical Malaysia UTM. He achieved a first aider certification and he has the ability to use AutoCAD system and proficiency in Microsoft Office. He started his career in Engineer Kim Sendirian Berhad as a project engineer. He was recognized for representing the Faculty of Electricity in a university project exhibition. The next one is introduction. This assignment is explore engineers' critical roles and how they interact with society. Engineers solve complicated issues and have a significant impact on society by developing new technologies, upgrading infrastructure, and increasing environmental sustainability. Their job requires them to obey rules, communicate well, and think ethically. This, this assignment also emphasized the importance of engineering ethics in directing professional behavior that benefits society. Engineers must understand the complexity of engineering in order to grow professionally and have an influence on society. Next is objectives. The first objective is understanding the impact and roles of engineers, focus on ethics and best practices while learning about the various ways engineering benefits organizations and society. The second objective is making ethical decisions, understand common moral dilemmas faced by engineers, and strengthen the ability to make moral choices. And the last objective is encourage innovation and problem solving, encourage creativity and innovation thinking in dealing with challenging issues in society and technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Praveen. So now I'm going to present about the question that we have asked with our engineer. So what is first is what is our definition of engineer? Engineering, the definition of engineering in my view is a discipline that involves the application of science and mathematics to design, develop, and solve problems using technology. Engineering involves a creative process in devising practical and efficient solutions to meet human needs as well as to improve the environmental condition. So engineering, as I see it, represents the marriage of science, mathematics, and technology in a disciplined pursuit of problem solving and innovation. It's not merely about applying formula or algorithm, but rather than about harnessing the tools to design, develop, and implement solutions that address real-world challenges. This creative process involves analyzing practical and efficient way to meet human needs while also considering the broader impact on the environment. Engineers are tasked with not only improving existing system but also with devising novel approaches that enhance sustainable and overall well-being. Thus, engineering is not just a profession; it's a dynamic endeavor aimed at shaping a better future for society and the planet by continuously striving for progress and innovation. So, what are the main roles and responsible of an engineer? Which was the second question we asked with the engineer. So the answer was given as the main role of responsibility of an engineer in Malaysia includes a research, development and management of the engineer project. They are responsible for planning, testing and implementation in infrastructure projects such as a bridge, buildings, roads and etc. They are also involved in the maintenance and repairing of existing infrastructure as well as ensuring that their project comply with established safety and reliability standards. So the engineers in Malaysia play multi-phase role in the research, development, and management of engineering project. They are responsible for overseeing the entire life cycle of project, from planning and design to implementation and maintenance. This includes conducting research to drive innovation, managing budgets and resources, and coordinating with various stakeholders to ensure compliance with safety and regulatory standards. Engineers are involved in infrastructure planning and implementation, utilizing their expertise to design efficient and sustainable solutions. They are also in maintenance and the repair of existing infrastructure, prioritizing safety and reliability through their effort. Engineers contribute to the advancement of infrastructure development and overall well-being of community in Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Danish Memoravi. My mensis number is BEE32302. So, what the third question is, what is your approach to problem solving and decision making in engineering work? So, in this one, he said that he defined the problem clearly by identify apa, and define the problem to ensure understanding of the issue at hand. Then second, research and analysis, to which conduct through research and analyze the data collected. Then we got the develop possible solution, which is generate a range of possible solution using creative thinking and technical expertise. Then we got the evaluate solution by assess the potential solution based on criteria such as cost, time, resource, and sustainability. Then we got the select the best solution. We choose the most effective and feasible solution from the option available. Then we got the implementation, which we implement the chosen solution. Then for the seven, we got the monitor and adjust. We continuous monitor the result and implement the solution to prepare to make adjustment on feedback and development condition. Lastly, we got the review and learn after implementation. We review the process and outcomes learned from the experience. So that's what he said, and this is the analysis and discussion. We can see that this is technological method of problem solving, which is same with the engineering method of problem solving lah. So by the explanation is highlighted by careful preparation and execution as part of the comprehensive methodical approach of the engineering problem solution and decision making. It begins to precise the definition of the comprehension of the issue by making sure that every facet take into account. So by each option is carefully to assess according by standard such as cost, time, resource, and sustainability. Then for the fourth question, what are the main steps you use when facing complex technical problems? So he said that he applied the PDCA method, which is plan, do, check, and act. So the description of the plan, do, check, and act is first we got to plan. So by identify and the problem clearly and gather all the relevant facts. So then we got do, which is implement the plan. So it involves the strategies and method we decide on during the planning phase. So then we got the check after implementation. We check so we can collect all the data and compare it lah. So if there's good, we go to the final step, which is act. So from the plan, do and check our project too. So we got the good result. So we implement the project. But if we got not good or bad or not success, so we need to use the other method lah. which means if the plan A is not good enough, we got to do the plan B or solving with other solution. So this is the plan, do, check, and act of the method flow. We can see that PDA cycle facilitate to ongoing adaptation and improvement lah, which is essential for successfully resolving challenging technical issues. For example, they use the PDCA cycle into their year project lah by aim to lower the factory energy usage. So for the next question, I give to my friends. Thank you.
Okay, for the question number 5, what is our views on SDGs? So, the SDG provides guide us toward building a just, sustainable, and prosperous world for everyone. And also, engineers play a key role in achieving SDGs by developing and applying effective technologies and sustainable practice in engineering projects. Okay, next in engineering, the SDG guides effort to tackle the global challenges and drive positive change. Engineers contribute by integrating sustainable practice and innovative technology into their projects. Okay, for the question number 6, how do you measure the impact of engineering project on achieving the SDGs? Okay, to assess the impact of engineering project on the SDGs, I will consider the factors like improving access to basic infrastructures, clean water, electricity, public transport, reducing environmental harm such as air and water pollution, and fostering social and economic process. As engineer, our role is crucial in developing technologies to solve problems and achieve sustainable development. And analyzing the impact of engineering projects on the SDGs focus on the key factors. It include evaluating how well this project improve access to essential infrastructure like clean water, electricity, and public transport. List 3 of 5 include to SDG number 6, 7, and 11. It also assess their success in reducing environmental impacts such as air and water pollution, and measure the contribution into social and economic process in communities. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ismail Muhammadin, and the next question: what technical skill do you consider important for success in the role of engineer? The technical skill that I consider as important for success in the role of engineer requires a strong foundation in technical skill, including mathematics, engineering principle, and proficiency into like CAD, MATLAB, or Python. Problem solving and system thinking are critical for troubleshooting, optimize, design, and integrate complex systems while staying updated on emerging technologies. Equally important are collaboration and communication skills to effectively work in teams, govern technical ideas, and ensure compliance with safety and industry technical standards. For this analysis and discussion, the skill outline for engineering success highlight the balance between technical aptitude and interpersonal abilities. Engineers must not only have deep technical knowledge but also the capability to apply in practical, innovative way. For instance, mathematics and tools like CAD or MATLAB are foundational to design, simulating, and analysis systems. Without this core skill, engineers will struggle to create efficient and reliable solutions. The last question: between CGPA and experience, which do you think is more important for joining a company? While CGPA is important for fresh graduates as it reflects academic diligence and foundational knowledge, experience often outweighs in the long run because it demonstrates practical skill, problem-solving ability, and adaptability to real-world challenges. Companies typically prioritize CGPA for entry-level role or technical field, but hands-on experience, internship, and project carry more weight for mid-career position or industry focused on practical output.
striking a balance between maintaining a decent CGPA and gaining relevant experience to internship or project in the ideal approach for maximizing career opportunities. This one for analysis and discussion. A strong CGPA reflects a candidate's academic discipline, theoretical understanding, and ability to manage coursework. For fresh graduates, especially in competitive industry, CGPA often serves as a screening tool. High-performing candidates are seen as like to have intellectual capacity to learn and adapt to company requirements. In the conclusion, this assessment showed how important it is for engineers to match their solution with moral and legal requirements in order to effectively deal with social concern. It also emphasizes the importance of engineers improving their communication skill in order to collaborate more effectively within the technical community and with society in general. Engineers make a beneficial contribution to society by following this principle. It ensure that their discovery benefit everyone while maintaining ethical standard and encourage open communication. For the recommendation, we suggest broadening the scope to encompass a variety of engineering specialty and promoting interview with engineering family members to gain more in-depth understanding in order to improve future projects. Student learning will be enhanced, cooperation will be encouraged, and they will be better prepared for success in the workplace if they concentrate on certain subject and improve on their communication, teamwork, and time management skill. So that's all for me. Thank you.